It's seen a record number of fires this year in Amazon rainforest. The National Institute for Space Research said its satellite data showed an 83% increase on the same period in 2018. Smoke from the fires caused a blackout in the city of Sao Paulo on Monday. The daytime blackout, which lasted for about an hour, came from strong winds brought in smoke from forest fires burning in the states of Amazonas and Rondônia, more than 2,700 kilometers away. The largest rainforest in the world, the Amazon, is a vital carbon store that slows down the path of global warming. Conservationists have blamed Mr. Bolsonaro, saying he has encouraged loggers and farmers to clear the lands. Wildfires often occur in the dry season in Brazil, but they are also deliberately started in efforts to illegally deforest land for cattle ranching. Forest fires are surging in Brazil, with the country's space agency reporting almost 8,000 fires already this year. Scientist Carlos Nobre from Sao Paulo University says politics is to blame for the alarming increase.